and yeah, it's all trust, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what it's all about. Any business is about trust, isn't it? So,
I mean, let's be fair. No person in their right mind invites you to their own house where you've got a family, right, and goes through all of this stuff in your own personal surroundings.
that's it.
And shows you bank statements and what you've got going in and going out. You've checked out with all companies about, you are what you are, aren't you?
That's it, mate. I'm a straight up guy. Straight up guy. I've got proof there, suppliers. The business model works, but it works if you want it to work. Same with any business, you would always have hiccups.
You can't promise an income.
Yeah.
You cannot promise me an income. All you can do is give me the tools to create an income.
That's right. That's right. Like I said to you in the pub, and you were like, and you were like, oh yeah, what can I make from this? And it's like, look, I do not guarantee anything, because it's down to the effort and what you put into it, and if you want it to make it work, But what I do provide is all the right things to make it work, like the suppliers, the training, the support, the eBay shops, the Amazon stores. If you try to do all that yourself, because I even took you over
you
to
just can't do it.
Yeah, no, and I even took you over to the suppliers, didn't I?
You can't.
You could have easily gone and.
I mean, I'll be honest with you. Before I met you, I looked at drop shipping online. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now there's loads of drop shipping companies. In fact, we even found the one that you actually supplied us. Yeah.
Yeah.
Online.
Yeah.
Anyone can sign up for it and do what we've been doing, but they can't do. Or if you don't know nothing about all the little bits and pieces in eBay and setting up the accounts and the limits and all the bits and pieces and all the affiliations bits and pieces, you've got no chance. You're going to fall flat on your face before you've even started.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's how I feel anyway.
Well, it's right there, isn't it? It is right. It is
really,
right.
you're paying for the knowledge and the service. Well, it does work well. I'm hoping it's going to kick off. I mean, we spend, since I've come and see you, I have spent every single day 10 hours plus in this office, and I've been looking at other people's products and doing this and doing that. Now mine's on. Now I don't know what to do to get it looked at. That's why you're here.
Yeah.
Once I get one sale, just one sale, it could be a skin. I can see, I can look forward. At the moment, if I was honest, I feel a little bit like dejected and think, oh God, I put something on 2 days. Like I should have had a sale, which I did expect a sale, if I was honest.
Yeah.
I've only got one watcher on 90 items, and there's not many views, and I'm sort of like, oh dear, what am I getting the product right? Have I done this?
Well, it's on a 30-day listing, isn't it, at the moment?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what we're doing now, I'm teaching you and showing you how to get sales to those listings. Right. Right. So on eBay, there's pages and pages of products, isn't there? Your listing is at the back on the 30-day listing, yeah?
And by the time someone clicks on that, they're going to click on the first 2 or 3 pages and buy something before they've even seen mine.
Yeah, that's right. But what you do, you put them on auction, so they show up closer to the first page, and then eventually they will be on the first page when they finish.
Right.
Yeah? And then what I showed you just a minute ago, how to embed those links within the words. So click here if you can't wait to for the auction to end.
Yeah, go to my buy it now.
Yeah, and then it goes straight to the buy it now, and then people buy that product on the buy it now, and then your rankings become higher up inside the eBay search.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So that's.
Is there any way you're about to copy and paste that little template you've done to us on this or not?
Yeah, I've put it all on video.
Oh, you've done it on video. Brilliant.
Yeah, it's all on video. I'm uploading it now on YouTube.
Brilliant. That's great. And will that come through to my Skype so I know as a YouTube link? Yeah.
I sent you some videos the other day, yesterday.
Yeah.
If you go on there and review my YouTube channel,
Yeah.
you'll be able to see the video on there because I'm uploading it now on YouTube.
Right. Okay. So I should subscribe to you, really, shouldn't I?
Yeah, it's got 9 minutes remaining.
Okay. Let me have a look at that now. Yeah.